Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Ideas. So today we are doing a little bit of an experiment actually with this pink, it's kind of like a faux fur, like a fake fur. It has these little fluffy bits attached to this kind of main yarn bit, and it works as a thread like that. So I tested this out a few months ago. I think it's actually, let's have a look, 100% polyester from a company called Teddy. It was €3 and it's actually recommended for use with a size 7 or 8 hooks. I'm actually going to do it much bigger though. This is the biggest hook that I've got. It's a 20. It's plastic, it's really light, but it is kind of strange to hold. So this yarn is only 50 grams, so 26 meters, so it's not actually that big. So we're going to see how big of a kind of square we can crochet with it. I think I'm going to do the whole ball and try to make something decorative, like a throw for the sofa. Something like that. So like I said, I did test this out before, and it does actually look like real fur, or real fake fur at least. So we can definitely make something like those tiny little throws you can get in winter, cushions, something like that. So let's go. I've got the found the end here. We're going to go with kind of large and a bit loose. So I found the end. We're going to leave as little trailing off the end as possible here, so as not to waste it. And we're going to start with a chain stitch for the first row. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, you can tell how huge it's going to be. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, 10 chain stitches, and it's already about 30 centimeters. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I think I'm gonna do 20. 17, 18, 19, 20. So it's more like this long rope already. You can't really see the stitches. It's more like that you can feel them. And that was exactly the same as what happened last time I tried it. So we're going to yarn over. Hopefully it'll go through 2. Hopefully it'll double stitch. Yep. Wow, it's getting really wide already. It's like 4 or 5 centimeters. So we'll keep going. Carry on with the double stitch. Pull a bit of wool through. It's quite dense when you do pull it apart. Keep going, double stitch. Finding each new stitch. Obviously you can see that it does have the gaps when you pull it apart like this. But for the purposes of making just like a throw, something decorative, it'll be absolutely fine. I can hardly see where the next stitch is. So I'm just going to keep going, double stitching. It's going quite well. Yarn over. So I'm going to keep going till the end of the row, and then I will show you what to do on the next row. So my little update. I've managed to do a row with 20 stitches. So I have this little section done here. It does actually look and feel like a little faux fur. Actually, you can hardly see the yarn, the little base yarn that the fur is attached to. It's super fluffy. It's really, really cozy actually. So we're going to carry on. We're now on this top row, back to chain stitch. Carry on. I think you're going to need a bit of luck finding the next stitch. But if it's not perfect, like if you do miss one or drop a stitch, it's not the end of the world. No one's really going to notice. It's just too fluffy. I really don't think anybody's going to be able to tell the stitch pattern, whether it's double stitched, whether it's single stitched, whatever. Nobody's going to be able to tell. That's actually why I chose to do it so big with the large hook so loose. So we've done 2 rows and you can see it's as big as my hand. It's just so big. I'll carry on. Wow, it's so pretty. So let's have another update. I've definitely used more than half of the wool. So I've managed 3 rows before running out of wool. This thread needs stitching up, so does this one down at the bottom. Let's measure it. So we started with 20 chain stitches, and let's see. Wow, 60 centimeters long and across. It's just less than 20, I'd say maybe 18. So 20 by 18 centimeters we've made with the with one ball. It really is. It's come out really soft, very fluffy, super cozy. It even actually looks the part. So you could easily make cushions with it, a little throw, something for the sofa. If you had another ball, you could easily get 60 by 40. That would be well enough for a throw or a little decorative blanket. There's so many ways that you could use it. You could even crochet in the round. There's just so many different things that you could do. You can see that it's kind of it's quite loose, especially when you pull it apart like this. You can see through it, but you could do it a little tighter if you wanted, but obviously you just need some more wool. And the little base thread, you can barely see it. There's just too much fluff. I really like it. I hope you also enjoyed this little experiment with the fake fur. Thank you for watching DIY Ideas. I hope you loved the video. If you want to watch more, please visit my channel, like and subscribe to be the first to be informed about a new video. Don't forget to share this with your friends. See you next time. Bye!